Hi, I'm Katy Freeborough from the British Geological Survey. I'm representing Demonstrator 9, which is Dorset in the UK. It's a World Heritage coast on the south coast of the UK, and we're working really closely with the Met Office in terms of understanding stakeholder needs in the area. So our work in our area is focused around 3 themes. So it's understanding what stakeholders need, the data that they use and how that informs their decision making, the impact of the local community on the decisions that they're taking, and the impact of tourism in terms of communicating those warnings and information. So from our own view from the British Geological Survey, there's already been several fatal rockfalls along the area and landslides in the Dorset County, and we're working to try and understand how we can help with the geological knowledge and scientific knowledge behind these events with the local community and the local stakeholders. And also making sure that our messaging is correct in terms of the fact it's a World Heritage site, so they don't want to put people off coming, but they kind of need to get the messages aligned across the different organisations. Yeah, so in our area we're working very closely with the Met Office to explore the value warning chain, looking at how information is communicated from observation to decision making. So we've done a paper reviewing some of the UK storms with them very closely. And then we're also looking at Internet of Things and how that can support stakeholders in their understanding of the science behind landslide events and potentially future communications and warning and information in the area. Yeah, so early on in the HuT we held a stakeholder workshop with our local resilience forum, which is a way that the communities work in the UK in terms of combined multi-agency response and knowledge and data sharing, to find out how information and data from both the Met Office and the BGS are used in their communications and what their needs were for future decision making and climate change information. We've also done things like engaging with the community in terms of playful activities. So we did a piece in the local tourist magazine that went to 100,000 hard copies and online and web applications where people are using art to investigate problems and understanding of cliffs. So hopefully it changes their behaviour when they're there, and although they go to appreciate the beauty of the science and the geology in the area, they're actually making decisions about their behaviour and where they sit and where they can approach safe spaces.